I think once we get partners like SportPesa coming in to support the Legends and in our contribution to the game, because if you look, most of these guys used to play international rugby, and now that we can come back together, as you heard, we are trying to relive our memories and also just promote the game of rugby and also just show the younger generation that we can still play this game up to even forever if you want to. But I think, like I said, my sentiments about this partnership, it's a very, very, very good partnership, and I think for the future, it's something that I think all other partners can come in and just continue supporting the game.
Very, very encouraging. The trust from SportPesa to be part and parcel of what we're doing. When we started this a couple of years ago, it was really a bunch of, oldies who wanted to relive their memories and to have a kickabout and just to get themselves out of the house and get physically active. And we've been patient enough to slowly grow this to where it is. And for us, it's really an augmentation of what Nondis as a club also does. And our hope and belief is that then SportPesa will also transition into the club and also be part and parcel of the club and support the main club itself. And we believe we are offering a good property. We believe we are offering competitive rugby, good atmosphere.
As Kenya Rugby Union, SportPesa are our partners. They supported Shujaa, and they're still in talks with them about our women teams and our development, and which we strongly believe that SportPesa is going to come on board on those particular products. And not just that, and even the other competition like the 7th series that is going to start in the end of July and up to August. So SportPesa for us is like one of our partners that we really value, and they're good to us.
Today, SportPesa has started a journey. That is the partnership with the Legends by Nondis Scripts RFC. I think these are familiar faces. It's a very good vision bearer that we are holding and we are initiating here today. Basically, SportPesa has signed this partnership with them to just help and walk this journey with them as part of the activities that they normally have on a day-to-day. So these are key players, some of the Kenya's top rugby stars that we knew from back in the day, but these are people who are still passionate about the game. We have the fun experience right at the center of what we are doing, and also we'll be participating very actively in the rallying call to ensure that fans just come out in large numbers, both in the Uganda and even the Kenyan leg, to help support the game and just help cheer some of the people that they helped